Sir, I've told you, I cannot leave your daughter. I love your daughter so much. She means a lot to me, and I mean a lot to her.
Daddy, I can't leave him. I love him.
Why are you quiet there? I thought I want not to come close to my daughter again.
Sir, I love your daughter. I cannot do without her.
No. Take this. This is 400 million naira. Take it and leave my daughter alone.
Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it.
No.
What's up, my people on the D? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So today I'm going to be giving you guys the best you've ever seen, like always, like usual, like what I normally do. You understand? So what you have to do for me is the normal thing you do. Make sure to subscribe, drop nice comments, and share my video. You understand? For the growth of my channel. You feel me? So my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Goddess of the river, I need money. Give me money. Huh? I need 355,857,999,000 before 4 market days.
Oh, yeah, you take.
And give me that kind of money where you dey come.
For where I want to see that kind of money from? For this water where they on the sheet?
Run, no.
When you dey run, they go. You be black Jesus. You know one walk you want chop. You go cry.
You go cry. What's this, bro?
Kasongo, yeah. Somebody nanga. Kasongo,
Nobody got those videos. God have mercy upon us.
What's up? It's not nice. Oh.
No,
I'm so sorry. It tastes like vomit. I did not do it.
No. It tasted good. I'm sick, so I accidentally puked in it. I vomited
Inside.
in it.
Voila.
You are so sweet.
yes.
So, what are we now? We are African powder. We are
Africans. Okay, this one. Yeah, Africans. This one, back there. Sure, say you get phone. Now walk this guy is fine. Packing at your own risk. You don't see job vacancy. Not even office, na residential house. Hey! Now the way boy collect phone number from her. I don't give her a job, shut up. Even that car, that same car said, and the girl get her. Okay, the girl even know what he said. The girl understand that. Ah, voila. This guy doesn't get sense again.
You get it?
Yes.
You know what I'm doing? Next tomorrow is my birthday, and I want you to come and shut down for me. I want you to spray me. I want my friends to know that I have an Nduka as a boyfriend.
It's me and you that spend all my money together. Me and you that ovulate together December. In January, I don't have any money to come and be spraying you on your birthday.
I don't know how you're going to do it, but you must spray me. You must.
I must spray you?
Yes.
I must spray you?
Yes.
Obli.
Azanga! Who not get money in an illegal structure? Move on! Even for sit at home, if you are rugged, you go see cash out.
This guy's crazy. I'm money.
Wait now. I never even used the sniper yet.
You won't cry with that big car. Don't go walk.
Hello. I'm on my way. Everything's complete. Samski, you're on the list. I don't have time for this. Ty, clean this mess up.
I use dirty bag. Stay clear. Want to stay clear?
Okay.
Now what for you, bro?
Jesus.
I think it's time for us to release all the
My
power.
God, man. Oh man, Ty is strong, bro. Ty is strong, bro. Another
What the
one.
hell is that?
Ah, see wahala. One bullet, na ain't fire more.
You?
Continue.
This one still the fight. You don't know saying they don't find your guy.
Wait till they want this one. Who is this one?
The work is done. I won.
Like I could have killed a lot of people. God have mercy upon us.
The list. Who's next? They don't find him now. They find who's next.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
1.6 million
But
for
all will
everybody.
be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a
You must
year
pay when I carry
ago.
them come. Myself.
I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
So we continue.
MJ, I don't want you make you trade your gift card with NG card, and then I get reliable and trustworthy. Now you don't go trade your card with Pablo online. Money you don't see, card you don't see. How you want to pay this on scroll where you carry now?
Animal.
I'm not saying I saw this online work they bill.
Idiot. Jesus.
What happened?
What the MJ they post wanted for gossip me so?
Jesus.
So how you want to do this one now, MJ?
Oh God.
I don't know.
And now to send this your friends out, you could just settle the loan for gossiping. Later you will settle your scroll when you carry it.
How did me get this motor now?
But then you post congratulations online last week now.
Oh.
I'm in there for the doing this now.
Can you imagine? Fake life.
Wait till you worry this one. Who is this one?
Hey!
Let me beg her now. You don't turn beggar. You better not turn beggar.
This is your new house.
Now so I take me camel. You say if you try.
Bro, congratulations to me. I don't launch iPhone 16 Pro Max. No, it's nothing. Money now, water. My brother might call you back, I beg. Alpha, what's he write like that?
Size your receipt.
What's he write like that?
A sum of 2,700,000 naira only.
Are you mad? Bomb day your score. You smoke hydrogen with this kind of pen. See what you raise my receipt. You know the kind of boob where the amount of money carry 2.7 million naira. Now they write like this. You dey craze. You don't see 2 million for your life before. Call your manager. Yeah, you know get up. What's the problem, sir? Which kind of people now they employ for here? I buy phone of 2.7 million naira. See what that guy they write for receipt. Give me. What did you write?
So I wrote a sum of 2,700,000 naira only.
Make thunder tell your story to 2.
Only.
With due respect, sir, how is he supposed to write it? A sum of a very huge amount of 2,700,000 naira. Bam. The money get wait. See this man, they buy something of 50k, then put only for a receipt. Me, when they buy 2 million, son, you they put only for my receipt. Me and this guy did the same level.
Jesus!
Sorry, my brother, I didn't mean to offend you. Really, nigga? Sorry for the inconveniences, sir. Correct. Life is simple.
Every time you go to carry 5th position. You know if you carry first, persuade the carry first get to it. I beg, leave me, Joy. As I carry 5th today, you know if I carry first tomorrow. Life na turn by turn, though. So you know that one. Life na turn by turn. So why you don't get your pattern after Dangote?
He said what?
You're not going to the holiday, are you?
What kind of food is this? Where's the maid? Where's the maid? Where's the maid? Baby. My baby. I don't understand. What is that? That one your husband used to call the maid. What?
What's wrong with you?
That one used to call the maid.
Keep quiet.
Wait. Are you sleeping with the maid?
So you believe I'm sleeping with the maid?
I thought her name has changed to baby.
What's wrong with you?
Are you sleeping with the maid?
Are you insulting me?
What did you call her?
Let's have it.
Angel. You are the angel of my life.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Shut up! So you also call her angel of your life? If that what your son here used to call the maid. You!
Hey!
What?
Now what for you, bro?
Wait. No, wait. What is going on in this house? What is going on in this family? You are sleeping with the maid? Your son is also... I am done. I am tired. It's your husband that them all these things.
Shut up your mouth!
Driver! Treasure! You are the treasure that I see.
Jesus.
Even me myself that shop.
I shop too.
Even me myself that shop. That was your first daughter used to call you people's driver. Jesus! Ever have gone straight this out. Jesus! What is going on? After everything you've done for him.
This girl is devil sent.
I can take all the shit that you've been doing. I've taken a lot of your nonsense. I've taken a lot of your shit. But you see this one, I cannot condone it. Until let me help you call the security. You have tried for this man. This man does not value you. Hey, come and carry your bag. The biggest I've seen. Sweet in the middle, you know. That's what your wife used to call estate security men. All of you have got straight in this house.
Sweet in the middle. Davido.
My bro.
Yanch.
Afala.
I do. How your side now?
I do. I can't see you.
Hope no problem.
No, while not day. It's just that one of my girlfriend they come. You know, so we want to do Netflix and chill. You understand? Or like this now, you know, say to buy data for MTN, Balo and Airtel, and the money high. The money what they spend like this never come. So So I would like me help your wifey password. I take connect to my Netflix.
And when the baby come?
She dey come like anything 30 minutes from now. She will not come.
Ha, 30 minutes.
Yes.
I won't come out and I know if you leave if my appliances there. You get?
You won't come out?
They come out anytime soon.
I know really good to leave things for us.
You understand the matter?
Oh, well, I understand now.
Wait now, wait, don't worry now. Make I sub you 20 bill now.
You want some money to buy data?
Why not? 20 day there.
My bro, thank you. God will bless you.
Okay. Let's have it. Call your account now.
Okay. 218.
218.
Hey, they call my phone, they ring. So, excuse me.
No problem.
Hello, Yanch.
Hello?
Sorry, I won't be able to make it again today. I got my period.
Eh.
Yeah, I just started today.
Alright. I can write the blood, Jesus.
Alright, cool. Bye.
Let's have it. Yeah, sure, no problem.
No, while I not do, now just my sister they go school. She just let me know say she dey go school.
How your face can't change?
Her face not change, you now. Just like she asked me for money, but you know say what I expect never come. But I go sort her. I don't know.
Yeah, now call your account for me.
Okay. 218.
I get that one.
Okay. 44. 610.
What bank?
Take us bank.
Okay.
I don't send them. Confirm her.
You don't send her?
Yeah.
Okay, my confirm her.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Blast, eh? When 40K send me so.
Yes, now, Yanch. 20K for your Netflix. 20K for your sister fee. Me self get sister and I know how that matter be. Sure you get.
My bro.
Yeah.
God go bless you. This expectation every year good I go update you.
I deal with you, my bro.
So you will come out like this now.
It's stop now. No get
cover you the blood of Allah, eh?
I appreciate it.
Stay safe, eh?
Yeah, now, my bro. That guy.
The blood of
Another man food is another man poison.
Hey!
Nam, how you doing now?
Well done, sir.
I beg you, I want to ask you a question. Okay, what? You get anywhere where they sell okra soup things?
Hey!
Items where they use cook okra soup around here.
You say?
By this time of the night. Okay, I want A and B this so.
Are you serious?
If you want food, you go call the reception. Then go call the cook for you so that you go fit order what you want.
Maybe this same place, Sabinus with the queen.
Okay, what's the happen now? Which one be your own? Like, my God, see me, if you contact me, now you want to pay my salary.
No first. You get anywhere where they sell furniture things around here? Like, what thing did they use to do furniture things?
Okay, I said a night video. This is 1 a.m. Anything will make you go outside, anything will happen to you. Tomorrow you go buy what you want buy. Now you go sleep. Which one be your own now?
And I know they shout too much now.
That's how I carry my school for the
You buy one.
Now, madam, who are you?
No first, eh? For the last time, did she shock me? I beg. All this thing what they do initial gra. Now one thing now, what is that? You get anywhere where I get condom.
And I want the talk since.
I carry woman. The woman no carry condom. Me I no carry condom. And I don't bam. They no bumper.
Condom do you now?
Hey! You get condom?
You get a year chatter. But I think it.
10,000 for one condom. Why?
Oh God, no shower with you. You don't go, I be you know they go.
I bet man go give the girl belly.
I be evil man.
Anata, your babe.
This is the fourth time you're making me come just by sucking my boobs. How do you do it?
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Oh yeah, to bet you take. Steve will take. Nduka take. You push you share it, yeah? Share it, oh. Yes, yeah, I'm coming.
Don't they suck at me with your apple? Oh, let you give pass me.
My childhood is 11
Hey, water. Mommy, Steve, you should be pass us. He's sucking more than us.
Steve, why are you sucking more than your brothers? Eh?
From childhood, I don't Sabia.
Come and suck the other one.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Hey, Mama said, tell me, say, when I did small.
So you study?
I like breasts.
You are dating a millionaire's daughter.
With my daughter.
Sir, I've told you, I cannot leave your daughter. I love your daughter so much. She means a lot to me, and I mean a lot to her.
Daddy, I can't leave him. I love him.
Why don't you quiet there? I thought I want not to come close to my daughter again.
Sir, I love your daughter. I cannot do without her.
Take this. This is 400 million naira. Take it and leave my daughter alone.
Let's have it. Let's have it. I go Japan. Let's have it.
No.
Sir, just give me 100 million inside. I will leave your daughter alone. Fast. Let me give you 100 million and take the remaining 100 million.
I'm a wicked man, and I won't really show you say I'm a wicked person.
Big bro. You want to replicate the same thing? You go carry his size, you want too small.
Hi, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
I want to buy shawarma.
Okay, how many?
One, how much is it?
It's 700.
That's quite cheap. Oh, yeah, I'll collect with drink.
Okay.
What is it? What is there medicine inside?
Okay, it's a tetracycline and flagyl. It comes together with the shawarma. It's side dish. You like it?
Sure, so this guy's happy with you.
You like it? I
You go pour, Joe.
Just try it and see. Thank you.
Naskra.
Yeah, to meet my guys, girls. Girls, meet my girl.
Hi.
Have a seat here.
Relax. Guy, wait, I want to tell you something. No, who come with this babe now? What happened to your main babe, Esther?
Hey, guy, forget my babe. This is my girl. Why I want you to just don't worry about her.
Don't say Esther now. She the boy for us financially.
What?
I just a spot for your house, so I beg you.
Guy, forget that thing. Forget it. Guy, man, Esther they come. My baby come. Hey! What I go tell him now?
Now, calm down. I got one mad idea.
Sorry, baby, I'm at the airport now. About to enter plane to Abuja for an emergency meeting with my friend.
Lord of Jesus.
I'm so sorry, my love.
Anyway, I'm on my way to work now.
Alright, baby, just take care, okay?
Okay, bye. He's not around. I'm going.
Jesus.
No, that doesn't have plan to work now. See my quad.
That's why he's so
I'm going to carry your own guy in the cup.
Babe!
Hey!
Babe!
Jesus! I can see this is a master class of cheating. Stay safe.
Not mine though. You are drinking this thing.
Yes, now. It's for adults like us, not children like you.
When you finish drinking it, make sure you use palm oil.
Well, what do you mean?
I put something inside, and I will not give the antidote unless you give me the 100k I asked for.
You lied, yo.
I don't know. No wahala.
Hey! Come.
Now what for you, bro?
Because of 100k, you want to poison your brother.
Well, be fast. Send it before you die.
Hey, fuck her, bro.
I've sent it.
There's nothing inside, Jerry. I was just trying to play with you.
Shay, you know it's God that will punish you.
This is very short, man. I think you just show
Bring 100k.
Who does that? Because you say your sister said she poisoned you, just like that. She sent 100k. Who does that? Nobody does that, man. Anyways, thanks guys for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And like I always tell you, do not forget to drop nice comments. Do not forget to subscribe if you're yet to do that. And check out my other videos. They are the best. Trust me. So don't play my people. Thanks, and see you in the next one. Peace out.